Hi, it's Marta in Spanish, and in this video we're going to start learning uses of se. So if you're ready, let's get started. So se is a pronoun, okay, and the first use we're going to study today is when used as a reflexive pronoun. Okay, remember reflexive verbs are the ones that come back to the speaker, okay, and in third person, singular and plural, we use se. For example, the verb lavarse el pelo, okay, to wash one's hair. If I say él se lava el pelo, he washes his hair, ellos se lavan el pelo. Okay, so you use se because it's a third person, remember, reflexive pronoun. Okay? The second use that we're going to study today, okay, is se when you're substituting direct object and indirect object at the same time. And what is this? It's very easy. I'm going to give you an example. Hice una tarta a María. Okay? I made a cake to Mary. Okay? Hice una tarta. Una tarta is direct object, objeto directo, complemento directo, okay? A María is indirect object, okay? So if I substitute both at the same time, I have to say se la hice. Okay, so hice una tarta a María. Una tarta would be la hice, okay? Hice una tarta, la hice. Hice una tarta a María. Le hice una tarta, okay? That's the normal le as an indirect object. But if I substitute both at the same time, se la hice, okay? And the third use that we're going to study today is when we use se as an intensifier. We call it dativo, okay? So I can say, él leyó un libro, he read a book. Él se leyó el libro, okay? And I'm intensifying the action. So I hope that you have understood everything. Please let me know if you have any doubts. I'll be making 2 more videos about uses of se, okay? And in the meantime, comment down below and practice with an example. Okay, I will correct you. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to contact me, all links are down below. I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye!